Spreading salt on Shabbos. Let's see what he says. If the steps, walkway, or sidewalk are icy and slippery, one is permitted to spread salt on the area in order to melt the ice, assuming there is an Eruv. So Eruv is because you're not allowed to carry. Other items such as sand, straw, or wood shavings are more problematic, since they do not dissolve and will remain there. Okay. Thus, it might be considered boneh because one is adding to the ground. Okay, so we said the salt. Okay, so we can use always this opinion. I'm just checking whose opinion is it. Shmiras Shabbat Kehilchata. Okay, no problem. He's a great authority. So he said we can always use this opinion. He said you're allowed to sprinkle the salt, no problem. The only thing you must know that if it's an Eruv. So if there is no Eruv, nobody is going to allow you. Okay. So let's explain this issue with the sand and straw and wood shavings. The issue is when we said before boneh. Boneh is building. So when you do building, so you first leveling the ground, and that's why in olden days, the Shulchan Aruch says, and in the Talmud says, actually, and Shulchan Aruch extracts from there, you're not allowed to sweep on Shabbos, right? You're not allowed to sweep. But our sages explain you're not allowed to sweep if you have earthly floor or like sand floor, whatever was in the olden days. Right? But today, since we have a hardwood or a stone or marble or whatever floor you had, like hard floor, there is no problem with sweeping. So why? Because when you sweep and there is like ground, it's like you leveling the ground. It's boneh, and same is here. It's like you adding something extra to the ground, which is problematic with boneh. And salt just destroy. So destroy is good in this case.